Hello, I'm Victoria with Renaissance Capital, and I'm going to walk you through the filed section of IPO Pro. So up here, this File tab is where you can look at the US IPO pipeline. So when a company files publicly, they will show up on this page. Here we have basic information on every one, and if you want more detail, you can click through to a profile. So this is a SurveyMonkey profile. They filed in the end of August. And we have all the information that's available in this profile. So we also have a link to the IPO prospectus here and the Net Roadshow up here. If you're really interested in tracking filings, you can also go to your account settings up here. Go to your email preferences, and we've recently introduced a new email alert for all initial filings. So whenever a company files publicly, we will send you an email alert, so you will know right away. That's it for filings. Thank you for watching.